Chinu, it's time to wake up. Wake up, Chinu. It's morning. The sun has come up. Wake up quickly.
I can wake him up easily. Stop it, Buzz! Meenu, Buzz is troubling me.
Buzz, don't trouble him. But it's time to wake up, Chinu. It's morning now.
You have to get ready to go to school.
Let me sing a song for Chinu, Buzz.
Song? That's fun, Meenu.
Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush, so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth, so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face so early in the morning. This is the way we have our bath, have our bath, have our bath. This is the way we have our bath so early in the morning. This is the way we dry ourselves, dry ourselves, dry ourselves. This is the way we dry ourselves so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair so early in the morning. This is the way we wipe our hands, wipe our hands, wipe our hands. This is the way we wipe our hands so early in the morning. This is the way we dry our fingers, dry our toes, dry our legs. This is the way we dry our fingers and one shiny nose so early in the morning. But think how much less time it would take if we were dogs and could shake, shake, shake so early in the morning.
Meenu, that was fun! Now, it is time to eat breakfast. Oh, Chinu, you are always hungry.
Come quickly. It's time to go to school.
Meenu, do you have a time for everything?
Yes, Buzz. We wake up in the morning, we brush our teeth and have a bath in the morning.
We have our breakfast in the morning. I like to go to school in the morning.
We also like to go to school in the morning. Let us get into the school now.
Hello, Sahil. How did he come to school before us? Sahil comes to school with his father on a cycle. So he comes faster.
Buzz, we walk to school. It takes more time. Sahil comes faster because he comes on a cycle.
Oh, it takes more time to walk. I know, if we go to the town in a bus, we will go faster.
Yes, if we go to the town in a bullock cart, it will take more time.
But... Oh, Buzz, stop talking. Let us go to our class now. Oh, it's afternoon. It is lunchtime. Chinu likes food time. Buzz, stop buzzing. I will not give you a puri if you trouble me.
Buzz, eat quickly. We have to go back to the class now.
Come, let us go back to class now.
We are back from school.
Ma, we are going to play for some time.
I am going to play with my ball.
I am going to fly the kite.
Meenu, I am going to play with Raja.
Chinu, come. It's time to study now.
Time to study?
Yes, Buzz. We have to study now. You also come and study with us. You don't know anything.
I will study with Meenu. What are you doing, Meenu?
I am coloring this picture. Do you like it?
It's lovely.
Dinner time. Come, everybody.
I am hungry too. Come, Meenu, let us eat.
Let us wash our hands first. Then we will go and eat.
It's very good. Stop it, Buzz. Meenu, he is always troubling me.
Let us eat now. Then we will go and sleep. Grandma will tell us a nice story.
Yes, let us eat quickly. I want to listen to the story. But I am sleepy also.
It's night time, Buzz. You will feel sleepy. Even I am sleepy.
Shh, friends. Buzz is sleeping. Do you also do everything on time? It is good to do things on time. It is sleeping time for us now.
Friends, Buzz needs help. Will you help him? But you have to answer loudly. Do you brush your teeth in the morning? Yes. Do you have a bath in the morning? Yes. When do you go to school? In the morning. Do you eat lunch in the afternoon? Yes. Do you like to play in the evening? Yes. Do you also study in the evening? Yes. When do you see the moon? in the night. Friends, we do some activities early in the morning. Some we do during the day, and some activities we do in the night. Will you help us put the rising sun, day sun, and moon in the right place? Brushing, rising sun, sleeping, moon, midday meal, day sun, studying in the night, moon, bathing, rising sun, going to school, day sun, reading in a library, day sun, waking up, rising sun, dinner, moon, morning, rising sun, Butterfly does not know the order in which we do our work. Will you help Butterfly put the right numbers in order? brushing, bathing, drinking milk, going to school, reading in a class, lunch, brushing, bathing, drinking milk, going to school, reading in a class, lunch, plowing, sowing seeds, little plants coming out of seeds, crop, harvest, plowing, sowing seeds, little plants coming out of seeds. Crop. Harvest.